Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Guru account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Guru account, begin by signing in to your Guru account. Navigate to the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Once in Account Settings, find the Subscription section. Click on the Manage Subscription button. You will see the current plan details displayed. Scroll down to find the option to cancel your subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription link. A confirmation prompt will appear on your screen. Review any relevant information or warning messages. If you are sure about your decision, confirm the cancellation. You will receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. Make sure to check your email for the cancellation confirmation. Log out of your Guru account if you do not want to continue using it. Your Guru account will remain active until the end of your billing period. After that date, your account will be deactivated. Remember to save any important data before canceling. That's it, you have successfully canceled your Guru account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.